korang, hari ni rasa nak buat Age Like a Fine Wine series, but I need my pillow. Wait lah. Okay, Age Like a Fine Wine. Okay, Age Like a Fine Wine. I made this series of video because I just want to recall what can I remember. I want to put in my YouTube as many as possible before I reach 60 years old. Okay, so today is 1st November 2025. Okay, 1st November 2025. This is my daughter's birthday. Alright, the only daughter birthday, which is on 1st November 2011. So her identification card in front is 111101. Okay, 111101. Okay. So actually the due date for the delivery for me to give birth to her is on like 27 October 2011. And then me and my husband go to the doctor, and doctor said you need to take this pill so that you can give labor. Okay, and then I said, doctor, I don't want, because I believe that my body is can adjust naturally based on what God created me. Okay, and I'm kind of someone that as much as possible I will not take any pills or medication which is from the drugs, because I believe our body have immune system that can heal ourselves. Okay, if we sick, means we no need to go see doctor at the first place, but the first place is we need to ask ourselves what's wrong in our daily life habit, okay, or work responsibility and so on, sleep, nutrition and so on. So I believe like that. So on that time I was 25 years old on that time. So I said to the doctor, I don't want to take the pill. I want it to be happen naturally. So the doctor said okay, and then he gave me like one piece of paper like that. He said, madam, if you don't want to take the pill, you must take the responsibility. Responsibility if something happened to you or happened to your baby. And then I signed. I said okay. Okay. And then go back. I go back home, working as usual at my shop. Okay, my shop at Arau Perlis. Working until October. Then I think October got 31 days, right? October got 31 days. So exactly at 31st October, when we want to close the shop at Arau, which is at 12 midnight. Okay, we already like do the cleaning. We want to close the shop lah, to shut down the operation because it's already midnight. Okay, because on that time we have Cyber Cafe, so the Cyber Cafe close at 11. So at midnight we will do the totally closing. Exactly when we done cleaning, got the like some spot showing that it's about to come out. Okay, my baby want to come out. She said, please mom, stop working, I want to come out already, you need rest. Okay, and then because I already one bag which is got my shirt and so on. Anytime we just take the bag and go to hospital, which is at the hospital Kanga Perlis. So you just grab that bag, go to the hospital, say, doctor, I want to give birth. I want to do the labor. Okay. And then doctor say, okay, we have empty bed, so you can wait there until the opening like enough, which I think 10 cm, 10 cm. Oh, it's very painful. I start feel the pain at midnight, 31st October, and then I give birth. Okay, I deliver my baby around afternoon, between 12 noon to 1. So the 12 hours is like 12 hours of very sick, very sick. Sometimes very sick, and then okay, and then I wait. Okay, I know this 5 minutes is I'm not going to be contraction, no sickness, so I need to prepare like, okay, after 5 minutes I will be like cramp again. Okay. uh I don't have any memory. I stay that night alone or anybody with me. I don't have any memory. Either I alone or someone with me at the hospital. Um, because it's too sick, it's too hurt. So I just thinking about myself. And then on that night, they make me lay down. So my tummy is very heavy, and then I feel like back pain, and then I got fever. I can remember. That's what I can remember. I got fever. So tomorrow, I think at morning, 8 or 9 a.m. like that, I still can walk. I walk. I go out from the ward, go to the in front. He got chair for visitor. Got chair for visitor. And then my husband is there. Um, they said they don't allow my husband to come inside. Yeah, they don't allow my husband to come inside the labor room, because the labor room is like big, like one hall, and then it's divided into section 1 and section 2. And then each one row in section 1 got maybe 5 to 6 mom waiting for to give birth. Okay, to give labor. Okay, and then I'm lucky because I'm not in the middle. I'm at the very left side, beside the wall. And at the wall, they write something like the Almighty God in Arab, which is in Arab way. Okay, alright. I can hear everything. Okay. Before I go to the labor room, so when they don't allow my husband to go inside, because it's a hall, so he said he want to go to our shop to do some work. I said okay, go. And then my mom come give me noodles, give me noodle. And then I say, Mom, since they don't allow men, will you come inside? My mom said cannot, because she got other things to do. On that time, she got a business like nursery, kindergarten, something like that. So she said she need to go to do her business thing lah. So I'm alone. I'm alone in the labor room. Okay. Yeah, I'm alone in the labor room. Let's continue later.